The JIA Foundation is a non-profit organization founded in 2014 to meet the needs of the current wave of Japanese immigrants and expats who benefit greatly from Japanese language services.
The acronym JIA stands for Japanese in America. We define JIA as those of any race and nationality living in America who appreciate Japanese culture and values.
Our mission is connect and empower Japanese in America to lead fulfilling lives in the U.S. We create a vibrant multi-generational community, facilitate social and educational services to make a positive difference in JIA's everyday lives, and we want JIA, young and old, to have confidence in being JIA.
Community, education, and identity are the key components of JIA programs.
We respect the diversity of JIA members and work to create collaborative and sustainable communities for them. We make opportunities for members to engage and support each other by holding social events on different occasions.
We strive to integrate with American society, culture, system, and values while preserving our identity through education. JIA Foundation merged with the community group Hatanowa in 2017 and offers seminars and workshops and various topics in Japanese. Topics covered in the past include raising children in the U.S., U.S. healthcare system, mental health awareness, long-term care in the U.S., and support for domestic violence survivors.
We are proud of our heritage and cultivate pride in our JIA identity as a foundation for leaders of the next generation. Our youth leadership program provides an opportunity for JIA youth to think about their identity with their fellow JIA peers. We recently held a forum to learn about hate crime and racism and think about our identity as JIA.
In 2018, we invited JIA children and their families to the overnight summer camp. We enjoyed many traditional Japanese-style activities, and they were all done in Japanese. Through this summer camp, we aim to build leadership skills for young JIA, friendship with fellow JIA children and parents, and confidence in being JIA.
By popular demand, we held the second summer camp in 2019. More families participated that year. Kids cooked curry and salad with youth leaders for dinner. Everyone had a good time, playing games and dancing, learning about nature and the stars, and suikawari, or splitting watermelon. Parents told us that children made good friends and grew as people, even though it was just one night.
One of our biggest commitments recently is the U.S.-Japan Friendship Coming of Age celebration, also known as Seijinshiki USA. We adapt a Japanese tradition of celebrating the coming of age to welcome new Seijin who have an affinity for Japanese culture. The inaugural Seijinshiki USA was held on January 19, 2020, and congratulated and recognized more than 130 new Seijin. This is an opportunity for new JIA Seijin to feel proud of their heritage and for non-JIA to be exposed to Japanese culture and values.
The second Seijinshiki USA was held virtually on January 17, 2021. This was recognized nationally and internationally, and 140 Seijin registered. The Seijin joined an interactive Zoom celebration. We received lots of compliments and appreciation from new Seijin, their families, and the community members.
We are currently promoting JIA local businesses who are affected by the COVID-19 pandemic.
We will increase opportunities to communicate both in Japanese and English to meet the needs of diverse JIA members.
We will offer a program appealing to young Japanese fans.
By collaborating with other organizations, we will strive to improve our service of the larger JIA community and meet community needs.
We appreciate your support.